Okay guys, back at you guys with another video, and today we're gonna be doing a barn video. I don't really have anything to do outside right now, but both my RC cars are broken. Rustler still broken. E-Revo, yeah, that's still the same from last video. But today, sorry, out of frame. Today, we're going to be working on this free Sportsman 5.5 horsepower water pump I got. I believe it's a clean water pump, like just for pumping ponds and stuff, but kind of looks like a trash pump, but I'm not going to risk it. And it did come with a really nice ball valve, which I might even, if the pump's junk, I might rob that and put it on my my bigger pump that has a 6.5 horse on it. And it has an issue. First, I took the plug out of it. I put it back in, sorry. And that's not good. That has rust on it and it smells like gas badly, so. And this motor, and yeah, that's not good. So once I saw how wet and how had the little rust on it, I took and went to pull it over. And well, first when I got it, just wanted to see what it did. We'll pull over, and the recoil works, so that's not the problem. But I shined my light down that. I can't show you the plug hole, and I saw a little watermark drop on the piston. Probably just gas, since the plug smelled like gas. And I haven't checked the oil on it yet, but I think it's something in the pump still. But I don't think that motor is bad. But if the pump's bad, I'm gonna just keep the motor, because I would still get it running 5.5 horsepower out of this deal. But yeah, so let's check the oil on it. See what kind of hidden surprises are in there. Uh-oh. That ain't good. I better... That looks really thin. I better see if I can get oh, I know what I can get under it. I'm just trying to save myself time, not edit that much. This is going to be a long video, so you guys better get popcorn or something and watch. Also, tell me, guys, do you like these when I put time lapses in the videos? Because I'm going to probably pull the head off this engine today and do a time lapse of it. So tell me how you guys like the time lapses. And I know I'm not popular yet. I only have like 12 subscribers, but for those of you that do watch, please comment and tell me if you like them or not, because I don't know if I should keep putting them in there or not, because it just adds links to the videos. So okay, back to subject. So I'm gonna switch hands here, and sorry if I'm blocking your view, but yeah, I can already smell gas. That's not good. This engine has water in it. I think this motor, I think the possibility of this motor running again just dropped down a lot. That's a rusty, just nasty, horrendous dipstick. Just, ugh. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to use it. That's the only free finger I had. But, so let's just take a quick sample here for a second. Oh my gosh. That's like utterly horrendous, just water, it looks like. Yeah, it's mixture of gas, water, rust. Yeah. That might explode. This motor has sat outside, I can tell you that right now. So that's what happens, guys, whenever you leave your motors outside uncovered for a long period of time. So I don't think I'm going to be able to salvage this. So basically now this is just well, I mean, if I ever get another 5.5 horsepower, I still have a pump to hook it to, but yeah. Too bad. That just sucks, because I got this 6.5 here off a Baja Warrior mini bike that I upgraded it to a 212 Predator engine, which is also 6.5, but I did that because I wanted to go from the just stupid, just terrible gear drive clutch they have. Well, not gear drive, but they have 2 chains on them, stock, and terrible. You're always dealing with chain issues and stuff. But it has a stupid threaded crank on it. Stupid end with the crank. I don't know how you can see that, but this crank sucks because I can't put anything on the end of it, and that meant I couldn't hook up the TAV2 torque converter to it, but it still does have a keyed shaft on it, so it'll work. Also, I robbed the flywheel off it so I can run lights on my Predator. So, okay, guys, I'm gonna stop here, quickly drain off the oil of this, and go do that. So, and I'll come back at you guys again when I'm done with that. I'm not gonna time lapse that because that's just kind of boring. So, okay. Okay, guys, I'm back again. So, oh, jeez, she scares me. She hates the sound the GoPro makes. So that's Stella. She's helping me in the barn again. You're gonna see her in a lot of videos. I love Stella. She's my best friend. Well, other than It's Just Me, Dustin. He's like me and him are really good friends. Check him out. I mention him in every video. But so it's a moment of truth. I don't think there's much truth to come out of it other than we've seen the truth, but this is gonna be interesting. Oh. Oh. Is there even oil in this thing? Man. Look at this thing. See all that rust coming out of this? You guys today are gonna learn how to tear down a Honda GX 160 clone today, because this is good content. So this is gonna be parts. No way on this. All that. Just put in that. Oh no. I don't know if it's possible. It's not an issue. I don't need to get it out. Just find out, see what's up. Another way. Come on. I just need to do this. I'm gonna try to. I don't know if you guys do or not. If not, that's it. Bear with me. Here it is. Stop! No! She hates this thing. So, I love her. Yeah, this might. Quick, get this. I don't know if you guys are doing this. Mine is a good thing, but I don't know if it's pretty cool. So I'm not. Yeah, I don't know. So, yeah. But I would say I'm very scared of my chins. I'm going to go greasy board or something. I'll come out there. They work out here and I'll have it. My chin what happens. It's not funny, so yeah. A little bit about me right now. I mean, I started out if I love the box, I like it so much. But if you guys can see down there, I'm actually really happy because this pump looks really good from what I can see. So I have these pumps for it, so yeah, it's good. But these clean ones, so you have to be careful how you run them. But I have one, my one, yeah, clogged by acorn, and they went fine for the noise management. And I just want to see the experience. All that stuff is so I like, okay, we can get all out of this running and just keep water, and then someone like over time and just blast me straight in the face with it. Okay, just water and try to force it to get back on. That was fucking blasted. So I think that last year. So next one, I'm gonna put a carburetor side in. And then quickly, I'm gonna this probably. Yeah, no, I'm gonna stop here for a second because I'm gonna set it down where I'm setting everyone's time matching stuff. Okay, guys, I'm back again. I'm gonna start taking this carburetor off. Carburetor. I'm gonna do 10 mils. I'm gonna take it off. Oh, so. I'm not myself sometimes. Like, I didn't like. Sometimes it just fast forward a small portion. You like, you really fast. Okay, let it pop out. That's good. That's good. These words definitely see a little bit of sunshine. Sure, so you got that. Get that hang on. I mean, oh, basically, let's get that. Look at this other piece. Nope. Oh. It's not awful. It's very good water, but I mean, it's in total China, so and I was investing in. Well, I have this card here. The biggest thing with these are this. Buy them from Tony Buy you one. It's $5 now. Look at that. Oh man. Well, you can see, but it's hard to find this. So, this is just everything. This way. Well, this like the card works in, and I get it down. Like, I just had 10 more springs thread where they'll kill it. And also, I want to use the spark plug that came out of it. Like, built in for stuff. This is spark plug that came out of that. And this is the outplug piece, which will go, and I'm like, run. Okay, whatever. Yeah, that's. Keep doing further. Yeah, this is top of the seas. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll get a mint carburetor on sale. But it's fun. Ooh, I'll take that off the see what's under. Spice under there. This thing goes down. And this. Oh, that's really easy. Yeah, you know, really easy. I bet you wonder how much stuff you got already. And yeah, eventually I'll keep this. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy like a little storage thing. And I'm going to put all the usable parts off this motor. And that's all. I have parts. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of parts on this. This is all for usable. And this is still muffler that I can probably use. You know, I can put the sides on the head on it. Which I'm going to check on it. This is the energy will have the 6.5 outlet, but if I want to, I can make it 6.5. And I'm going to see if I'm going to swap this head onto it and make a lot. And just drastically increase the pressure. I know that's how it's over, but I'm going to close that top right now. I'll do that. I'll do that. So. Oh yeah, he's another barn cat. These are barn cats. Stop here, but you can sit down, you'll sit on the left. I'm going to go over and just that instantly. Start going, so I get right in the video. That's all. So I can go to my burgers. That's what I have there. Genius invention. Got RTV. Okay. Hey, Vincent. I'm in okay condition. Wonderful. That was a little down nose. I got engine exhaust. Well, it takes a little. Probably not down kind of moves and stops. Whatever. That's it. Should see. Maybe we'll see what it gets. And we're almost 4 on. So let's go. I'll take my phone. 13 on here. So. I really. I have all these people ready. I'm crossing these boulders. I should check that right now. Awesome. Yeah. I'm glad this is a big part. I'm really glad this is. This motor seems though, totally. I mean, I don't know yet. I'm before this out, but I'll take it. Look at this. Bad. Holy cow. Oh, man. Holy cow. That's not good at all. So, looks like you can put 300 away on that. So, yeah, these legit flashlights. Okay, guys. So, I'm gonna leave. You gotta check this stuff out. I don't know if you guys can see in there. You can see that? That is unbelievable. Holy cow. I'm going to show you why I know here and then I'll cover. So, dang. That's bad. Oh, what? We just try one pull. Let's see if I just kind of finesse it. Well, here we go. Let's here. The other thing. Let's work it out. Let's go. So, give this down here. That's not here. You know, sometimes you guys really get resources, not always gonna hit the jet, probably. Ah, what the? What? Okay, let's get it here. What the heck was that? Did you see that? That's why I have this. I can't get pressure in it. Just swap this pea gas all over me. Yeah, keep on oh, you remember, whenever somebody, you remind somebody, always say like, please and thank you, because when you might get talking to them, sometimes they will give you like, even more to find out you're really nice person and stuff. Like, just give me a not a sense. You don't need to be nice to everyone. You can kind of learn that as you go. So, let's pull this carburetor. Oh, the carburetor. Plan. Yes. Yeah, I think this is just exhaust. Oh, I don't care about this really. Sweet thing. Okay, guys, I'm thinking I'll probably just pull the jump rope off this thing. Well, let's see. Well, something's probably coming. You don't know where we're going to go right now. This is playing. But I personally sometimes eat those. But others don't like go fast. I like to go fast usually. At least it's not a machine that. And it's cool. Everything. Pull your daughter off because when you're responsible with it, you're not. You can't just hold everything all the time. Do it and inhale. Not inhale over and blow up in. But it does. It's not pretty. Well, you can sometimes take while it's slow. You don't hold back everything. Maybe up. Stay on the. Or the auto weights. Auto order. Yeah. Auto weights and up. And let's hit. And then just go upside the block. Ah, come on. There. Whoa, what is up? Oh, I just said it. Or, I get it. Crap. Oh, this sucks. I broke that off. We're using this. Even my father takes tool. Whoops. Was not a good idea. Whoops. Oh, man, it's not good. Oops. And you got more inside. Thing. Here we go. Side end. Underneath the cover. See if I can hit it without using that. It's already good. So John Boy's 73. Any other video on it? How it moves. Add some seeds. What's there? Okay. So that is. Yeah, I can send a share next time. Oh, but it's never going off. Side there. Okay. Where is it? See that? That's erosion. We want to go down for that. Steel for bolts. Speed up the erosion process. I don't know. It's together. Forever. I think you use the assets. I'm not going to do it. That's excellent. So this one. So we have to go over there. Oh, and it melted. Okay, okay. So. Grab my video. You have one of these? Get one. You can use magnets. Stand the magnet ready to drop it. Down the bottom of it. Carry it down. It's a piece of it. That's a salt. See that? Drop it. See it? Shoot this. You try to break it off. I'm going to get this. On the way. This is a big first video. I'm going to really bad at this. Yeah, I'm going to keep this one. But that might smell good. I want to keep that. And then I'll throw out your oven. Oh, that's it. So, run over here. Oh, sorry, I didn't know. I'm getting shot. Sorry. That's all. Oh, yummy. Yummy. Look at that. And what I guess do a turn there. And clean up to use the pay. Oh, just all yummy with that stuff. Nice right there. So, what's it out there? That kind of explains why this motor here won't go over. And then, see what I'm doing. Oh, push rods. Just realize that was push rods. We'll sleep on those with it. Push rods. Okay, now, pull this. On again. Pull this back. Too bad, so it's all the shape, too. This is over. That's it. Okay, I got to see the where it goes. Bad, like, zero. So, okay, now, stop here and off. Remove other things. Then pull it off. And so, I think I'm just going to keep water for you. So, okay, guys, so, okay, so I'll go away, but you're not going to go away. Remember, you turn on, so, change out. So, I got to off, I got to do is all the bolts on it, and you got to move the third jack, which turns out does have a steel shafts on it. So, but I do find out about that. I got the same 3/4 shaft on that. Briggs right there. I'll speak about it. We're not, but, man, we're going to have to put it out. This one is this. Oh, we're going to get move this over, which takes this giant nut in the middle. For now, one piece. Essentially, just for this. I don't know what I guess, so, that sucks. I guess I can't get more again, so, we're pulling on, but other than that, it's useless. I mean, I can't shop now. Let's put all the nuts off there. Well, no, it's not right now. Bolts. Let's do this. Get these things in rock. Oh, that's short, so. Okay, guys, I'm back here again, and this is the inside of the motor. It's, yeah, that's it, really. This is the back side cover here. They almost all have this bearing here. Dang, is that bearing messed up? It is. But imagine if all that crap was in there and this motor wasn't seized up and still ran. Man, would be bad. If I started that up, it wouldn't last a minute. It would probably last like a minute. Here's the cam out of it, just rusted up. There, right there's the timing mark on it. Dang. Sucks. What's sad is that this motor had didn't have much hours on it because I can't see much wear on this cam either. Like I said, basically just throwaway engines. I wouldn't have, if I took the carb that muffler off and saw in there first, and I wouldn't even tore it down this far because it's not even worth the time. But I just wanted to make this video to teach all of you guys a lesson. I got all of my parts scattered out around here. I'm gonna clean them up. Don't worry. I'm just gonna need it for video purposes only. And basically, I'm probably just gonna strip this farther out and down, because that's all basically to it. And strip her down more, and then just take all the parts and just keep them and just put them all away in a box somewhere, and then I know where I have all these parts at. So yep, so this is what happens when you leave an engine outside uncovered, and I hope I taught all of you guys something. So yep, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out. And of course the camera didn't shut off, so that's kind of how I do the thing. I just kind of go like that, and quit so with my greasy hand. Oh man, I probably just left a print on there, so I hope the video came out good. So